Namaste and hello everybody. So with this video I wish to share a small thought that I have experienced in my life over the years. Being a normal human thing, this used to happen with me. Now being a spiritual guide, I have then also experienced this. Many a times what happens is after a long time we get some things, and that thing, that particular phase has not even started in our life, but still we are so hopeful about it. We are so hopeful. That can be just an initial stage also, but we are so hopeful, like we are literally on cloud 9. We will be thinking now life is simply bed of roses. अब तो ज़िंदगी की मौज ही मौज है, मज़ा ही मज़े है. Now I will be getting settled and all such stuff. We are so hopeful and positive about things that we completely get blind, right? What happens next at times with many of them? Someone from your life will come, they will alert you, they will warn you about that particular situation. Now this situation can be in any area of life: love life, your personal life, your job life, career, finance, health, anything, any damn thing. But still what happens, जो मूड इतना बन चुका है, that will completely come down, right? And what we do next, like we literally get pissed off on that person. Instead of acknowledging what they are saying, we get pissed off on that person, and we say a lot of harsh words at times, literally. And it is quite a natural reaction, because as we know, not everyone is a well wisher, but someone whom we know that this person is a well wisher, at times we do sense their vibes and aura. ये ये इंसान हमारे बारे में गलत नहीं सोच सकता. इफ सच अ पर्सन इज अलर्टिंग यू, वार्निंग यू, स्टिल यू लैश आउट ऑन दैट पर्सन. With this, I would like to say one thing, guys. This universe, this nature, it is so humble that the person who deserves to go through the worst because of their bad deeds, bad karma, this universe will also warn and alert that person also, that this thing you're doing wrong. Please warn you all, like this is just a warning, this is a warning. Please back out yourself from whatever you're doing. But how bad karma is created because of this, because they ignore, they do not acknowledge what warnings they are getting within themselves, and this is how their bad karma is created. Because later on, then universe comes in their original form, from being humble to getting strict, that I warned you, you ignored my signs, you ignored the red flags I was giving, you ignored the signals. Now I will show you why I was warning you. This is what you deserve to go through actually, and that is why I was warning you all this before. That's the thing. So guys, yes, I do understand that not everyone is a well wisher in this world, yeah. But if some person is warning you, alerting you about any situation, here what you can do is, according to me, what I felt over the experiences, instead of getting blind and going with the flow and all everything, please become little sighted when you are getting some alertness or some warning signs. This is what I would say. If someone is telling you something about it, become sighted, and I won't say simply back out of that situation or so. Yes, you may go ahead, you may initiate, no doubt, but experience the little changes, see the changes that are happening within yourself in that situation, or if it is related with respect to any particular person, then try to observe that the changes that are happening in that person. You will get to know a lot of things, guys. A lot of time our body itself is a big, signs of warnings. At times it itself gives, a body gives us signs and warnings, like whatever you're trying to initiate with, is it that you're doing from your, from your choice wholeheartedly. You get those signs somewhat, you're trying to analyze something also, but you're getting it that why something is not clear, why I'm not able to use my mind, my brain. Alert ho jao, guys, please. This is what I would say, because many a times, because of your good deeds, your good karmas, you know universe feels that you should be warned and alerted with respect to this particular situation. That is why at that very moment, exactly at that very moment, universe creates some mediums, you know with respect to people, and it talks through those mediums, those through those people, like बच जाओ, थोड़ा सोच समझ के करना जो करना है, अंधे होके आगे मत बढ़ना. This is the thing. Many of you might have experienced this. like someone had alerted you but you didn't listen to them or so, and you simply went in that situation and then you are regretting later, kash maine ye suna hota, whoever had said you or warned you about it, right? And at that time, at many a times this happens, like you are literally stuck in that situation later on in the worst way, and nobody is there for your help, like you're not even able to share with anybody or so. This also happens many a times, and you're just literally suffering in that situation. You become so stuck and trapped. So guys, this is what I would say with this, that if someone is alerting you, warning you, now maybe that person may not be that close in your life or someone from your life, but suddenly someone with whom you're not even in that contact with also, if such a person is warning you, alerting you, this is what I would say, please become little sighted instead of backing out from that situation or lashing out on that person who is trying to tell you something. Become sighted if possible. Take spiritual guidances to make sure how far this situation is fruitful for you or what will happen later. Try to do that. This is what I would say. But do not ignore it, because universe always gives us signs and warnings, be it in a good way, be it in a bad way. It will always warn you via your dreams, via your own body. It will try to give you signals. So do not ignore it, just acknowledge it. And if someone is warning you, I would say one thing, that don't lash out on them. Instead, fine, listen to them, but acknowledge it and become sighted and take steps slowly and gradually. Start taking baby steps. Don't just run behind that thing. This is what I would say. Thank you.